Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to Wales for Llangorse Kayak Fishing European Championship. It's a one-day event where we need to catch 1 perch and 2 pike. Good morning and welcome to Wales today. I'm in Wales for Llangorse Kayak European competition. Today is Friday. The competition will be tomorrow, but we arrived yesterday, so Thursday evening, in order to do a practice session today. But the weather is not that good for this. Really high winds and rain. At least the scenery is really nice. Take a look at how beautiful it is. Take a look at this. Today I'm gonna try and map the lake and see if I can find any fish, and hopefully tomorrow I'll be able to catch some pike and a perch. Yeah, so today is training. Let's see if we can find a fish and maybe catch one. Starting to rain now. Take a look, the rain is coming. I want to try and find the deeper areas, places with some weed. Whoa, ho, ho. It's raining so bad. Oh my god. Look, big shoal. I don't know if they are perch or not, but we'll see now. Yes, they're perch. But they're a small one. Come on, at least one. What's happening? They're biting like crazy. I can't hook them. Oh, they're all like this. Look, these are the perch down there. First perch that's measurable, let's say. $22. Nice little perch. Let him go. Let's see if we can catch a bigger one. Hopefully. Even though I want a pike to catch. But oh, even bigger now. Nice little perchy. Okay, so the perch won't be a problem tomorrow. The only problem tomorrow is gonna be the bigger perch. But otherwise I don't see a problem. If it's like today, I won't see a problem with catching perch. one after the other. Let him go. Oh, this is a nice one. This is a nice one. I hope it's a nice one. Yeah. Nice one. Oh, I got it. I got it. I got it. Yes. Woohoo! This is the pike. Yes. Nice jack. Hopefully it will come tomorrow. Let's let it go. Yes. Come on, pikey, pikey. Nice pike again. Another beautiful pike. Good job. Let's let her go. Off she goes. Yes. I got it. This is a nicer one, I think. Nicer perch. Not that nice, but still better than the ones in the morning. This is twice as big. Oh yes! Yes, that was nice. That was so cool. Tricked her. Feisty one. Feisty one. For sure. This is a fatty. Oh, let her go. that was it for today. As you can see, I'm soaking wet. It rained almost the entire day, but even though the weather was shit, I really enjoyed this session because the fish were active. I managed to catch a lot of perch, not big perch, but a lot of them, and I managed to catch as well 3 pike. Hopefully, if I can catch at least half of what I caught today, tomorrow is gonna be a nice day. Now it's 4 p.m. and I'm gonna make my way to the car. I'll see you tomorrow morning for the competition. Morning, morning. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Better day than yesterday. 6 mile an hour winds, a lot of rain showers, but nothing as torrential as this. On the water, 9:45.
Back in the bank, 4:30, registered at the dock.
What's minimum sizes?
20 and 35. 20 and 35, yeah.
Not trolling, guys.
My plan today was to go to the same spots where I found the fish yesterday, and hopefully I will make them feed. Oh yes! It's a small jack. Hopefully it's 30 because the limit is 30. Small little jack, 46. Let's let her go. First fish on the board. That's a good start. Board is already wet. Perch for today. Nice little perchy. Let's let him go. You alright? Sorry?
How are we getting on? You good?
Yeah, some small perch and a small jack. You?
No, nothing yet. Might be it.
Yeah, but they are not into it.
No.
Yes. Yes. Where are the bigger ones? That's my question. Okay, that's nice. 2 jacks and 1 perch. Come on, again a jack. Come on, let her go. I managed to find the perch, but they were not feeding like they were yesterday. Even the pike were not into it. The bigger ones were only checking the lure, but they did not want to take it. Little perch. $29 perch. Nice one. There you go. Oh, today was much harder than yesterday. Much harder. Yesterday they were feeding like crazy, the perch at least. Today not so much, so I have 2 perch and 3 jacks so far. Only the biggest perch and the biggest 2 pike count, so. But anyway, they're small. I really need to improve, but at the moment I can't manage to do it. That was it for today. Much harder than yesterday, but I still managed to catch some small fish. I did not manage to get a bigger one, so I don't have any hopes for a good place. On my way to the ramp now, and after I'm gonna check the results.
4th place on top angling supplies, and Perry was again with 124 centimeters go to Perry Unico. Yep!
Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.